Hello everyone, in this video we will talk about how we can select the whole table in SQL. So we can write select and then we write star. Star means everything. Whenever we want to choose everything we use star in SQL, and then we write from. So select everything from table name. So here we write our table name. In this case our table name is customer, so we write select everything from customer. And now we run this query. So here, as you can see, we can see the whole table here. Here are different columns, and so that's how you display the whole table